Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold this origami fish. I've seen a lot of very simple origami fishes online and I figured I'd make my own. So yeah, with that being said, grab some paper and let's get folding. Alright, so for a model this size, I'm going to use a 3-inch square, or you could even use a sticky note if you wanted to. This model is super easy and you can fold it within a few minutes.
Alright, so let's start white side up, and let's valley fold diagonally in half. Alright, now let's unfold, and let's valley fold diagonally half in the other direction. Alright, now let's valley fold this point up to this point. Turn over, and then let's do the same thing, valley folding this point up to this point. And then let's open here, open the largest pocket, and then squash and flatten. And there we have our water bomb base. Alright, now we're going to shift this first layer here, and we're going to shift it to the right. But before we do that, let's valley fold this flap over, and then unfold. Then let's turn over and do the same thing. Unfold. Alright, and then now we're going to bring this layer, let's hold it like this, and we're bringing this layer upwards, like that. And then you want this crease to lie on this crease, like that, and then flatten. Then you'll also notice that this crease aligns with this edge here. So again, what we did was sort of a swivel rather than a squash. So before it was like this, and then from this view, we just shifted it this way. Then now we should have our model, and it should look like this. Okay, so now we're going to take this top edge, and we're going to valley fold it down. And this is to taste, but you want it to end at this point here, where the tail starts, like that. And then we're going to fold it up, and again this is also kind of to taste, but actually maybe you want this edge to follow this edge, you want these edges to align, but it doesn't form an exact point at this end here, so it's like that. Alright, now we're going to mountain fold to taste, and it starts at this point here, so let's mountain fold, and it can end anywhere really, but maybe more closer to this point than further. Something about like that. And then we can valley fold this back down. And you also want it more or less to touch this point. Like that. Alright, now let's unfold both of those pleats and keep it like this. Then now we're going to crimp them inside. So let's open up this pocket and let's mountain fold this in, and then valley on this valley fold and close it back up. And then yeah, again make sure that it ends at this point here, like that. Then we're going to crimp the bottom one, so let's hold it like this, let's open it up, and then mountain fold here and valley fold here, like that, and then close it up. And that's the bottom fin. Alright, and now one more step. We're going to mountain fold this from this point to this point. And unfold. And then let's open sink it, or I guess spread sink it. So open it, and then spread sink on the existing creases, kind of just pushing it in. Alright, so about like that. And then close it back up. And then make sure the edges align somewhat with the fin. Alright, and then one final step if you wanted to. You can use a pen and put a little eye for the fish. And then you can do the same on this side as well. Like that. Alright, there's the fish. I hope you enjoyed folding that. And yeah, in the meantime, have fun folding. Bye.